How to tools back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Muvio AI music generator app. So first of all, you need to install this app, then log in your account. Then you can see here, this is the interface. So you can see two options: discover, AI music, video, AI music, library. So if you type here AI music, then you can create AI music, simple, custom, enhance. So it's pro, custom, so you can custom the lyrics. So I refine it. Okay, I need to create your account, so you can give here, or maybe then you can give the lyric here. Okay, just give something, and this is tag. You can write, choose, and you can see here, this is lyrics and this is style. Which style you like, you can choose. You can choose more style in the same time. And gender, you can title, you can choose gender here, it's girls or boys. And titles, enter the title song, just write something, and then create. So that's why you have to create your account first. So this is music generation, and if you want to get the videos, AI music, tap here, you can upload your mp3, or you can choose it from your library. Then you can upload cartoon photo, like that photo will be visible and face, and you can see here, refine it. But you have to create your account, and this is name, and then create. So it's not free totally, maybe you will get one music video free, then you have to, and you will get here also template exclusive. So everything is available here.